Hey guys, welcome back to Dab's Fabrications. We're gonna start working on this room inside my shop. This is gonna be like, half of it's gonna be storage for all the crap that we brought from California. We need somewhere to put it. That's gonna go back there where you guys are. This front section is gonna be like, my wife and I do cups, tumblers, painting, spinning, all that stuff. We can do that in here. She can come in here and relax. Anyway, that's what this is for. We got kind of a loft built up there, also for storage. This area is going to be for stuff that we want to keep clean, dust free, things like that. Hold up. I don't know where I left off. This is like almost 4 hours later. Had to go help a friend. Anyway, we're gonna start building this thing. I gotta finish the electrical. I got some OSB for the walls. Finish the loft area. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get that far, but anyway, let's get started. Okay guys, so we got the electrical done. I'm not an electrician. Don't do what I do. Hire a professional. But everything's in, everything's good. Nothing is sketchy, is what I'm saying. Nothing sketchy. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. We're gonna start putting up some of this OSB, get things covered up, put some insulation on the walls. I'm gonna take care of some of this loose wiring real quick. Hang tight. Okay. Next step, insulation. Part I like least. Let's do it. Okay, that's all the insulation for the walls. Not for the ceiling. That's for the ceiling crew. They come in later. We're gonna put this in. I've pre-measured. Wrote them down for all the different measurements that I need to cut the OSB for height, because this floor is not level, and it's kind of weird because they sloped it to the back of the shop, not out to the front where the doors are. One thing to think about when you're doing insulation is, or one thing that I learned anyway, is you could wear a mask or you could just cough like I do. But if you're going to be cutting it, get a straight edge, get a sharp knife. If you do it with a dull knife, it's just going to tear that stuff up and make cotton candy out of it and be floating all over the place. Straight edge, cuts clean, go through it a couple times, you won't have all that mess. And you notice me cutting just 3 inches off. That's because I didn't want to just cram it into these holes. And then you saw that the pieces that I had left, I needed to use anyway to plug up the holes that I was left with. Obviously these aren't 16-inch center studs. I just, for money, stretched them out just enough to put up the boards on center, and one strip in the center of them so I could screw them in. Insulation. Okay. You should probably wear gloves, mask. I don't know. Let me start getting this OSB one at a time out on the table. Same thing, I'm gonna clamp a straight edge on them, get my saw, and just cut the saw right along that straight edge. It's the way that I found out it cuts pretty much perfectly straight. So let's speed her on up and get it done.
No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever go.
Okay, I just finished that wall. I'm gonna start on this one. But I noticed that I missed something. See if you notice it too. We got those receptacles on that wall. And we got no receptacles on this wall. Because they are in that wall. I forgot to cut it out. Idiot. cut in. Beautiful. Nicely done. Nicely done. So, this wall's done. Perfect. We gotta finish that wall. I gotta go buy more batting, more insulation, some more wood, so we can finish the top, get insulation in here, finish the ceiling. Obviously we gotta finish that last wall right there, that little bit. Hey, this hat that I'm wearing, Justduckeypainting. It's my cousin. If you live in Northern California, Redding area, Shasta, need something painted, exterior your house, interior, your cabinets, whatever you need, this kid could do it. Outstanding jobs. Look him up, Justduckeypainting. I'll leave a description below where you could get a hold of him. Hopefully, if I can figure that out. Okay? So, please subscribe. Please like. Please tell your friends. Please. We'll be back for the second one for this build. Thanks.